Welcome back to our home decor. Today, we're diving into the top kitchen trends of 2024. These aren't just any trends, each style is designed to last, combining modern innovation with timeless appeal. If you're thinking of a kitchen remodel or just want to keep things fresh, stay tuned. These 2024 trends will not only keep your kitchen looking on trend but ensure it stands the test of time. Are you looking to add some personality and style to your home, but maybe feeling a little overwhelmed? We've all been there. That's why we created this channel. First up, organic minimalism. This trend combines simplicity with natural elements. Think light wood, neutral tones, and live plants. Organic minimalism isn't just about appearance, it's about creating a calm, uncluttered space. The appeal of nature-based design is timeless, so expect this style to stick around for years. Now I am showing you latest, unique, modern, present, current, recent, 50+ design ideas 2024. We've explored a variety of ideas to help you transform your home into a place you love. Whether you're into modern minimalism, cozy rustic vibes, or vibrant eclectic designs, there's something here for everyone to draw inspiration from. Next, mixed materials are making waves. Combining textures like marble with wood, or stainless steel with stone, gives a kitchen depth and character. The trend allows for personalization, making it easy to create a unique look that's both durable and versatile. When decorating your home, it's important to consider your personal style and the overall look you want to achieve. You can also find inspiration from magazines, websites, and social media. Decorating your home should be an enjoyable experience. Bold backsplashes are back. Expect to see everything from geometric patterns to rich, solid colors. Adding a striking backsplash can bring personality to your kitchen without overwhelming it. And it's easy to update down the road if you decide to try something new. So there you have it, the top kitchen trends for 2024. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for small upgrades, these ideas are sure to make your kitchen both stylish and timeless. Lighting is crucial, and statement lighting is in the spotlight for 2024. Large pendant lights or dramatic chandeliers add a sophisticated touch and make your kitchen feel high-end. And the best part? You can choose pieces that fit your taste, knowing that good lighting never goes out of style. What do you think of this technique so far? Would you prefer a different color scheme? Encourage viewers to leave comments and suggestions. So there you have it, some of the hottest home decor trends for 2024. Which trend are you most excited to try? The possibilities are endless. You can turn anything into a masterpiece with some creativity and a trip to the hardware store. A tidy kitchen is a timeless kitchen. Concealed storage solutions like hidden cabinets and slide-out drawers keep your space clutter-free. They allow you to maximize function without compromising on style. Eco-friendly choices are here to stay. More homeowners are choosing sustainable materials, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-friendly cabinetry. Not only are these choices good for the planet, but they also appeal to future homebuyers. Finally, smart tech isn't going anywhere. Touchless faucets, app-controlled lighting, and smart appliances bring convenience into the kitchen. Integrated technology is more than just a trend, it's becoming an essential part of modern living. There you have it, the latest, modern, design ideas for 2024. Which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.